I told you he's coming Monday.
Is he really? Hi, kid!
Guys!
Stop hitting me!
Look at these guys. They're a mess. Looks like their car is a mess too. Do they care? They used to. But between working their fingers to the bone, driving their kids to tuba practice, and avoiding their inevitable midlife crisis, they simply don't have the time, desire, or extra cash to keep their car looking sparkling clean day in, day out.
What they also don't realize is that EverWash is the affordable way to keep their car looking fresh. I'll just leave this right here.
It's an app that gives you unlimited washes at your favorite car wash for one low monthly price. Simply find a wash near you, select the plan that best suits you and your budget, and with the click of a button, enroll in the better, more cost-efficient way to keep your car looking showroom fresh. When your car looks like $1 million, you feel like $1 million. Download EverWash today and become a member with your favorite local car wash. Take advantage of unlimited washes for one low monthly price and cancel at any time. EverWash, the better way to wash your car.